Hello, I'm Simon Lydiard with Leggett International Real Estate in Bordeaux. And I'm very pleased today to be able to welcome you to an old hunting chateau, which is a few minutes away from the centre of Bordeaux. And we're in 5 hectares of land that surround this old hunting chateau that has been completely renovated between 2008 and 2012 by an architect. The chateau dates back to the 19th century, and the reason I love this chateau and really want to share it with you is this mix between classic features of the limestone exterior with slate roof, and you'll see when you go into the chateau, you've got light, you've got windows stretching across the both sides of the chateau, giving fantastic volumes and attention to detail in preserving the classic features, but at the same time feeling like a very modern house. On the first floor, you'll find the parental suite with views across, extensive views across the grounds of the chateau. There are 2 other ensuite suites that are all renovated to a luxury hotel standard. And there is a working area as well on the first floor with an office space, a big office space, but also a meeting room space. On the attic floor, the last floor, there's a huge open space with a bedroom and a bathroom. Again, accessible in terms of by the lift. So as you can see, this chateau is set in 5 hectares of wooded land, and there are outbuildings. So we have the old post office and farm that's been turned into 3 apartments. We've got an old chicken coop that's been turned into another apartment with 1 bedroom. We have a swimming pool which is heated and has a swimming channel in it. It's flat land as well, which means that everywhere is extremely accessible. There's no overlooking neighbours at all, so this makes it a fantastic venue to have family and friends come and visit. So at the moment, this property is lived in by the owners. They also work here, and there are working spaces given over to their professional activities. But this property could continue with that usage, but it could also have a professional usage. So I hope you've enjoyed this visit of this very special chateau just south of Bordeaux. Please have a look at our website, and you'll find the link just below this video. You'll find virtual tour, photos, explanations, and don't hesitate to get in touch to know more and to set up a potential visit. We look forward to seeing you in Bordeaux. Have a great day.